Karaipan, nabaiki wita. Listen, God, sila na pasok to. Bukit Tefino was a son. I was raised up here, so my two pieces waking up. So the fact is there. That's the pasok to. I have a gate where Finos camp on school. On Sunday, we heard that news that Pino passed away. My heart was broken because I was heading to church. I met Pino during night school when he stayed back. Yo natural, etis, kaya ko masuko. Para rin yung pwede si. Para rin yung betote, narin yung this one. Para rin this one. My father. He wants to graduate from high school. He wants to show the brothers that he can be a good role model. He wanted the sisters to look up to him. David Fino, it's already went. Kurina agaso kani uncle pastor. That basis to kani brother. No take out way to speak classic. David ngani pa ba? Namin sila de pambo himself. Ekera peri. Pasmerka. Always out to be scary. Yeah, Pasmerka or stay on that mountain. You see they say what up like a pasangeri day. Nee, I'm busy put Maro Wari for the fun. I'm a witness. If the area is up with us no matter. Yeah, Waro me. Get an answer. Put over what for the fun. And it's your time to rest and our turn to carry on. Pino are right behind me. We won't be behind me. Going out to all my brothers and sisters. Yera kera peri pas America. Para usar aqui.
Como la película,